I really don't want to turn this camera around. Oh, I really don't want to show you guys what this looks like. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor, and if you guys have been here for any length of time, you know that I have a lot of stuff and I need to clean it every once in a while. So, my room has reached an abysmal point of needing to be cleaned. And I'll be honest, much of it was contributed to last night, just me throwing things on the floor to crawl into bed. So it looks a lot worse than it has been, but it's bad. So I thought today would be fun to start a new series here on my channel called Taylor Declutters Her Life, because I don't know about you guys, but I've reached a point in my life where I'm taking back and getting rid of things that do not serve me, things that have just filled my space, that don't bring me joy. We're recondoing this ish. And today, as kind of a starting point, rather than what I typically do, where I go through like some of my room and just try to declutter while I clean, I'm gonna just try and clean today, kind of put things back in their place, and then use that as the basis for my decluttering series that will be coming on this channel, because I just have too much stuff. I rent a room from my landlord in a beautiful, wonderful home, but my stuff just is expanded outside of the realm of what's realistic to keep in a space like this size. And I just need to be really strong about purging. So my room is a disaster. Like, it's horrible right now, but I really, really want to be tactful in how I do this. So again, I think I'm gonna just start today with just cleaning my room, like cleaning it, and then in coming up videos very soon we're going to start with decluttering, because I think that'll just be the most effective way of going about this. So all that rambling to be said, let's do a before and after, I'm afraid. So yeah, this is the current situation. I haven't even put my decor back up from Christmas being taken down. The shelves are fine. We aren't getting into those today. We're literally mainly dealing with this laundry situation right now. There's the guineas over there. It's just a whole thing. This is a lot going on. We had recent construction done in our bathroom, so a lot of my toiletries and stuff have been kind of just thrown everywhere, and it's kind of just a disaster. Again, we're not even going to get into the closet right now, which the closet actually isn't terrible. I mean, those are tiny book stacks for my closet, as you guys know if you've seen any of my closet on hauls. So that's actually not terrible. There's all of that down there. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna work on cleaning today, like deep cleaning. That's where we're at. That's what we're going for. It's a whole thing. So yeah, I think the best way to do this, because we do have construction going on, is probably going to be something of a time lapse, so you guys can kind of enjoy the speed at which this will all be hopefully done and taken care of. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, this is the part, oh gosh, also sorry, ignore my horrible bruise. I got it while skiing a couple days, about a week ago. this is the part where I get into the weeds. So I'm trying to clear off my desk, and part of the problem is I have so much backstock of just bathroom products, and I need to completely redo my bathroom organization because we got a new bathroom setup, which is a little bit less storage than what I had before, so I need to be really strategic in how I organize like my bathroom stuff. So I did kind of go through these drawers a little bit, at least on this one side, which I'll show you. So we did a major clear out of this. This was a lot of just old, expired, gross stuff. So I put in some of the newer products that I've had that have just been in back stock that need to be used and utilized. And then I want to go through and just clear off all of this. So I need to stop focusing on getting rid of, and I need to just focus on cleaning. So that's what we're going to do. We're doing a little bit of decluttering today. Just one shelf on my bookshelf, and that is all of my paperback nonfiction. We need to cull it down. I have a box ready to go. I'm literally doing anything physically possible to avoid putting away the basket of laundry, so we're gonna do this instead. This feels productive. We chopped actually about half of this shelf of my nonfiction, which is great, and it all now is in here. So I feel good about that. Oh my gosh, this looks and feels so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, we've done it. The floor is cleared. Look at this. Look at it all. Oh my gosh, the shelves, we'll get to that, but look, cleaned off dressers. No guinea pig hay on the floor, except for in their cage. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am just so happy with a clean room. Like, so thrilled, so happy. It's a good feeling. So, welcome to part one of my decluttering my life. As you guys can see, I still got some stuff where I want to get a little more minimalistic, that area specifically. But yeah, I'm so excited with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean up my very messy life. But other than that, if you guys did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!